Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how we can use Autocrat add-on in order to create e-certificates for our participants for our FDPs or our webinars conducted online. Okay, first we need to have a Gmail account. So after uh, giving the user ID and password, we should enter inside the Gmail account, and through that we need to go to the Google Drives. So we are now at a Google Drive. First we need to create our own folder by clicking on new, and here we need to click on folder. So already I have created the folder called knowledge the power. Just open that folder and it will show my drive knowledge the power. So first step is to create the Google form. You just go to more, just to go with the Google Forms and create a blank form here. I will create the form in such a way that only the name as well as organization is to be fetched from the Google form, and those are to be printed on the certificates. Okay, so I will give the name of the form, say webinar. The same name I will give here for the form also, and after giving the name of the form, you just click on send, so that I will collect here email addresses of the participants to which the certificates are to be sent. You just click on tick mark, close that, and here you will get the email address. And the first question what I will do, I will take the name of the participants, create short answer, and this is a required question. Next question, I will take the organization, that means the name of the college and all. Pick a short answer, and this is also a required question. And the next questions is of your choice. And after doing so, you just go to the settings here, limit to the one response, go to the presentation, show the progress bar. You just click on this and off the quiz and save all. Okay, so after creating the Google form, we need to create the certificate with the help of the Google Slide. So go to new, go to Google Slides, click on this, go to blank presentation. So this Google Slide is used in order to create the certificates for the participants. So it will show the number of themes here. You can use any of the themes, or you can create it by your own. So currently I will show how we can use this particular certificate. You just close these things, and one more thing, you just click on untitled presentation here and give the same name, webinar or whatever it may be, right? After this I will create the certificate here. So you can create in any manner you want. Here they have given almost all the options that you want. So you can insert the image also. If you want to put signature, you just take the signature on the white paper and crop that and save that in your computer and upload with help of image like this. And if you want to insert some text, you can insert the text also. And here there are a number of shapes. You can put the shapes, tables, charts, diagram, whatever it may be. You can format the whole slide also. There are almost all the options they have given. So I will just show how we can fetch the name as well as the organization from the form. So here what I will do, I will click on this. So here I will write one statement, this is to certify. So here what I will do, I will drag this. You can drag any statement like this, and you can maximize the font also like this. This is to certify. For example, here I have to take the participant name. The tags are to be written with help of double asterisk symbol. So name, the tags should be closed with a double greater than symbol. Here what I will do, I will take the organization also. Of here what I will do, I will take the organization. The tags that you want to fetch from the Google form are to be written with the help of double asterisk, and it should be completed with a double greater than symbol. So this is the sample certificate that I have created. So this is the Google slide that we are using. So now we have created the form, we have created the slide. You just go to form here again, click on responses, and here we need to create the spreadsheet. You just click on spreadsheet and click on create. It will open the spreadsheet. You can observe here it will create the timestamp, email address, name and organization columns. Now we have to install the add-on called Autocrat. So that should be installed with the help of add-ons. Here you just click on add-on, get add-ons. So after this, you just click on search here, type Autocrat. Autocrat, it will show the number of the name with respect to the Autocrat. Since I have already installed the Autocrat in my Gmail account, it will show the tick mark like this. So if you have not yet installed, we have to install that. Just by clicking on that, you just close. So after the installation, again you have to go to the add-on, click on Autocrat, it will come here, and you just launch. Just launch that Autocrat. It will take a few seconds to open. Okay, after this you just click new job. Here we have to give a certificate, job name. For example, I will give certificate. You can give any name. Click on next. So here we need to take the path of the slide that we have created. You just click from device. We have created the certificate that is stored in the drive. You just click on webinar that you have created, select. So after doing so, it will fetch the tags which I have written on side the Google slide. You just click next. So now it will show the number of tags which are written onto the Google slide. We have two tags, one is name and one is organization. The name is to be fetched to the column called name. Organization is to be fetched to the column called organization. So just confirm these two, press next. Here again we should give the file name, say certificate itself. You can give any name. And the type of the certificate that you want is PDF. Click on multiple output mode. You just click next and choose the destination folder. Already it has taken knowledge the power. Just click on next. Now add dynamic folder reference. You just click on plus reference here. Here it will ask for the column email address. We need to click on the email address. You just click next. After this, the most important one is set merge condition. Add condition here. The email ID should be equal to the not null. Okay, next. and here share the document, you just click on yes. Here it should be yes, it should be no, and here to whom the certificate is to be sent, to the email IDs, right? So in order to take that, you just click on this symbol, click on email address, left button, it will be copied automatically. Click on this right button, you just paste, okay, and the subject certificate, you can write any subject that you want to give to the participant, or you can write where is your certificate, and you can type any message, thanks for participation. Regards. Regards. Coordinators. You just click next and add or remove job triggers. Run on from trigger, you should press yes, and run on time trigger, you should press no. So just click on yes here, and it should be clicked yes. After this, you just save the job, just press the save the job, and we have to run the job. This is the last step of this. After this, you just close this and go to the Google form again, then click on send, click on the link, click on shorten link. So this is the link that we need to give to the participants. You just copy that link and you can send to the email IDs or a group that you have made through the WhatsApp or any accounts. Go to the new tab, I will check it out and I will show you how the certificate will be generated. I will press that link, just press that link, the form will be get open here. Now I will fill up this form so that whether I will check whether I will get the certificate or not. You just click on email ID, I will give my ID, I will give my name, okay. Next here I will give my organization name, okay. Then I will submit my form. After submission you will get the response like this, your response has been recorded. Now wait for 2 or 3 seconds, you will get the certificate to the email IDs that you have given. I will check my email ID here. So after this you will come to know that there is a one response in your sheet, okay. You just go to your email ID. I have got here one certificate, here is your certificate, thanks for the participation. Just click on that and open the certificate that is done. This is to certify Sandeep and Kugli of, you can concentrate the name as well as organization which is fetched from the Google form. So this is how we can use Autocrat. Hope this video is liked by you. Please comment and please subscribe to my channel for our next coming videos. Thank you.